one single donor has the capacity to save 4 lives. So this change was required because we need more donors. There are so many emergency cases, there are so many children who suffer from thalassemia, so there are so many cancer patients who are regularly in the need of blood. So we need pure, safe blood to be given to these such kinds of patients.
We have to change the mindset as to make more and more blood donation camps.
Earlier, the problem that we were facing in the society was that there were less voluntary donors. So through this project, the students of Stepping Stones want to make people more aware about the importance of blood donation, and we are trying to make people feel the importance and the need to donate blood.
When we went for rally, people were not at all ready to donate their blood. Maybe they were afraid of some myths and superstitions regarding the blood donation, and we made people aware about the advantages of donating blood and told them that one unit of blood can save lives up to 4 people.
Slogan writing contest before this, so that the children learn more about blood donation. They understand the importance of donating blood. That is the reason why such activities are held.
And this week we undertook a project in our school which is known as Blood Donation Camp. We all worked very motivatedly towards it, and we took many activities under it. The students of our school undertook a rally and participated in poster makings, all the students. We also had a very intellectual talks with the members from the blood camp.
The main aim of the project is to make the youth voluntary and automatic blood donors as soon as they turn 18. I take the pledge that I'll be a blood donor, and it's the most generous cause that I can support and I want to support.
We have started the blood donation camp, and this is going to be an annual feature now, because we feel that this is something that we are doing for the society, and also we are inculcating a sense of giving.
Blood donation is more important. It saves lives of many people.
There is no other way to generate human blood. This is the only way possible when we help, we have the ability to help others. Secondly, human blood cannot be stored for more than 3 weeks, so there is a constant need for people to come and donate blood. Yeah, there were many myths regarding blood donation. Some people found it not to be safe. Some people thought that they were afraid of having a needle pierced. They were of the belief that it is going to lead to weakness. They will not be able to consume with their daily activities. So these myths had to be removed slowly, and the fear had to be removed from the minds of the people. When God has given us, we cannot create life, but when God has given us the opportunity to save lives, I think we should put our best foot forward and try to do so.
Please think beyond yourself. By donating 1 unit of blood, you can save 3 to 4 lives. There cannot be a greater service. There cannot be a greater service. So think beyond yourself, think for others.
I feel very good in taking part in this blood donation camp, as this is a noble cause where people come here to donate blood and save the lives of the people who have lost blood. So it's a noble cause, and I'm really proud to be a part of this.